Hey everyone! Today for lunch we are making Aloo Baingan Masala. So let's get started with making this recipe. For this recipe, I have taken 3 potatoes which have been neatly peeled and sliced into wedges. Next, we will immerse these potatoes in some salted water. Now we shall repeat the process with brinjals as well. Immersing potatoes and brinjals in salted water helps us to stop the oxidation process. After about 10 minutes of soaking the vegetables in water, this is how it will look. Instead of discarding this water, I would recommend that you could use this to water your plants. Now, to make the masala, I have taken 3 tablespoonfuls of groundnut. We will toast it on medium to low flame. To this, we shall add 2 pods of cardamom, follow it up with 5 to 6 pods of cloves and 1.5 tablespoon of dhania or coriander seeds. Now let us add a tablespoon of jeera and follow it up with 1.5 spoon of sesame seeds. It is important that we toast the masala on low to medium heat. When the sesame seeds start to crackle, we shall switch off the flame and put a lid on it. Once the masalas have come down to room temperature, add them to a mixer grinder along with 5 to 6 pods of garlic and a medium chopped onion. Half a spoon of cinnamon powder, 1 inch ginger, 1 green chilli and a bunch of curry leaves. Now we shall grind the masala to a powder first, then add some water to adjust consistency and grind it again to a smooth paste. Now we are left with stuffing the brinjals with the masala that we just made. We shall stuff the brinjals as much as possible with the masala. With any leftover, we shall add it in the later stage to the gravy. After stuffing the brinjals, we shall leave it with the masala to marinate it for 15 to 30 minutes. Once marinated, we shall begin the cooking process by adding groundnut oil as cooking medium. To this, we will be adding the sliced potato wedges from earlier. Let us saute the potatoes on low to medium temperature. At this stage of cooking, I shall use half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of chilli powder as spices. Chilli powder adds to the spice level of the curry and also helps render its color. Using turmeric is integral to Indian cooking style. It not only helps render color but also increases immunity and is antibacterial in nature. At this stage, we shall add the stuffed brinjal to the curry. If there is any leftover masala from before, now would be the best time to add it. Saute the vegetables at low to medium heat to keep the masala from catching at the bottom and burning. I often notice that in many households, people cook food at high temperature or at high flame. This burns the masalas very quickly. As a solution to this, I like to add a little water to the gravy. This helps adjust the consistency, making it a little more palatable. To accelerate the cooking process, we can always place a lid on top of the dish and allow it to simmer at low temperature. This helps the vegetable to cook from within and to blend along with the masala. Now we are left with seasoning the dish. I have used pink Himalayan salt to season it as per my taste. After seasoning, I will allow the vegetables to simmer at a low temperature. Here I place a lid and allow it to cook for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of cooking, you will see that the oil starts leaving the gravy. This is an indication that the dish is done and is now ready to be served. Aloo Baingan Masala curry tastes best when it is served along with chapattis or phulkas on the side. Do try this recipe at your home and let me know how you like it. For more recipes, like, share and subscribe at Veggie Life. Bye!